right, welcome to January 5th, 2021, Ecosystems. Our learning target number 1 is to understand all organisms live and grow as a result of cause and effect. Some values that I am going to be looking for today in class are critical and creative thinking and content mastery. So really understanding what cause and effect is, and we're going to be talking a lot about ecosystems and how that affects ecosystems, but really understanding what cause and effect is and doing some critical thinking around that. So the first video I'm going to play for you is about cause and effect.
Good grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire, messages that...
Hi, I'm Claude Gonzalez. I'm the Clark County Schools instructional coach for science, and I'm here to share with you an experiment you could do with your kids. Kids are natural scientists. They're curious about the world. They try to make sense of everything they see around them. One of the great ways of causing them to understand more of the world is through cause and effect. The cause is something that makes something happen. The effect is what happens. So one of the good ways that science goes and teaches cause and effect in earlier years is through Newton's third law. Now, Newton's third law of motion is very simple. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. In this case, you blow up a balloon, you let go of the end. The action is the air going out the back. The reaction is the balloon taking off. Now, here's a really fun experiment that you can do with your kids. All you need are balloons, soda straws, string, and tape. Let's go have some fun. Hi, let's have some fun. First thing you're going to need to do is to tie the string onto a chair or a doorknob or some other solid object. Then take your straw and cut off a piece about 3-4 inches long. If you're using bendy straws, make sure you cut off the bendy part. That might cause some friction. Next, thread the string through the straw. This will give us a free-moving straw on the string. Once you do that, the fun things happen. Let's blow up our balloon. Don't tie off the end. You need it to fly. To attach the balloon onto the straw, get a piece of tape. Place it on the straw and then on your balloon. You may need a couple pieces of tape to make sure the balloon doesn't go flying off the straw. Now, that was cool. Let's do it again. Once the straw is threaded, you can blow it up again while it's still attached. All right, here we go. This one has a little less air than last time. Let's see how it affects our flight. It actually went faster. Cool. Now that was fun. One important thing you need to remember is talk to your kids. Before they get started, ask them questions. Have them make predictions. Have them make a hypothesis, something that they can test. What do they think is going to happen with these items? An important thing that you can do also is after you've done it one time, let's do some variables. You can lubricate the string with oil or petroleum jelly. You can increase the height or lower it. You can blow up the balloon larger or smaller. You can include a long, elongated balloon as well as a round balloon. Try these variables and have the kids predict what they think will happen to the overall speed of what's going on. Have fun, enjoy your kids, enjoy science. Bye.
All right, so that is cause and effect. If then statements, this is a video I use for coding. It just talks a little bit more about when something happens, what the effect is. So again, if you have recess, if it's raining outside, then you have recess inside. If it's my birthday, then I get cake. All of those are cause and effect options or cause and effect examples. All right, please write this in your science notebook. Cause and effect, a relationship between actions or events such that one or more are the result of the other or others. Again, I will repeat it. You can go ahead and pause it and then write this down, or you can go to our slide deck and write it down, but I will read it for you one more time. Cause and effect, a relationship between actions or events such that one or more are the result of the other or others. All right. Cause and effect continued. Essential question number 1, where do trees get their mass? So go ahead and go to the slide deck and watch this first one, but try and think of a guess. What do you think causes trees to get mass? The next one is essential question number 2. Why do sunflowers follow the sun? And then you would go to this link in the slide deck and watch the answer to why sunflowers follow the sun. And that is it for you today. Please go ahead and write that information down in your science notebook. Draw a couple examples of cause and effect in your science notebook, but that is all for today.